Hello guys, how are you? Today we will start our 8th lecture of JavaScript. About today's lecture, JavaScript for loop, JavaScript while loop and JavaScript do while loop. For loop. The for loop is used to execute a statement or set of statements more than one time. Syntax: for keyword statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. Then inside the parenthesis bracket write lines of code. Statement 1 mean initialization of or start of our starting point of our loop. Statement 2 will be the condition, either it will be greater, less than or equal to. Statement 3 increment or decrement, like I plus plus or I minus minus. This is the program of for loop. In this program we will print only numbers from starting point is 0 and up to 5, less than equal to 5. A plus plus mean this program will use increment operator. This is the output. This will display the integer value from 0 and then less than equals less than 5. So while loop. The while loop execute the set of code as long as condition is true. This is the syntax of while statement: while, then condition, and inside the parenthesis braces we will write the line of code. This is the code of while loop, where we can print an integer from starting from 0 less than 5. This is the output of this code. Now our last topic of today's lecture is do while loop. Line of code will execute either the condition will be true or false. The code will execute one time, either our condition is true or false. This is the syntax of do while loop. Do, then use parenthesis braces. Inside parenthesis bracket we will write our lines of code, and after parenthesis bracket we will write while keyword and condition, and then statement terminator. This is the program of do while loop, where we can print in an integer value starting from 0 and less than 5. This is the output of our do while program. Subscribe my channel Study Tech for watching more video. Subscribe. Thanks a lot.